Now that we've already created our account, it's time to start using PowerSchool. So we log onto our parent portal and we're ready to type in our username and our password. Once you've got that in, just click sign in. Here's the main screen which you're going to see on the PowerSchool portal. Now, you'll notice there are two students here. One student's name is Matthew and the other student's first name is Test. Now there's a navigation bar on the left hand side of the screen, and this is the first page that'll pop up. It's grades and attendance, and as you can see, these are the grades for our test student. One other thing which it shows is the student's attendance. Now if we scroll down on the left hand navigational bar, our next choice is grade history. That'll show you the student's grade for each course at the last reporting period. The next thing to look at is the attendance history. This is your student's attendance at St. Pat's this year. For our test student, you can see there are 3 excused absences and 1 unexcused absence. Now, if you want to know what these different codes mean, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a legend at the bottom. Now, our next choice is email notification. This is the screen where you get to choose what gets emailed to you and when. Use the click boxes to choose the information that you want sent to you. Now use the drop-down box to choose how often you want the emails. Is it every week, every month, or every day? Now you notice it has an email address here. If you'd like to change this, that comes up later under the account preferences. But you can add additional email addresses right now. So your work, someone else at your house needs to get these informations, perhaps the students themselves. You add them right now. And as always, make sure you push the submit button on the bottom right of the screen. You should notice on the top of the screen it comes up and says changes saved. Moving to the next section, the teacher comments button should take you to a list of all the students' classes with their teachers. By choosing the teacher's name, you should be able to send them an email. If there are any comments from the teachers, they should show up on the right. Now if I choose the school bulletin, I should see the latest school bulletin pop up. Now, if I want to go back and look at old school bulletins, no problem. I just click on the View Other Dates. Then I can use the calendar to find the old bulletins. Now at St. Pat's, we're not going to use the class registration, balance, or my calendar section, so let's skip right to school information. Listed here is the phone number and the fax number for St. Pat's, in case you need to call us. Now, the account preferences button will allow you to change the first and last name you're using, your email address, and your username and password. Also from the screen, you can add your other students to your account. Now don't forget, you're going to need the Access ID and the Access password. Both of these things you can get by calling the school. PowerSchool is also available on many different mobile devices. If you have any more questions about PowerSchool, please give us a call at 873-4888